Good morning, guys. So we're over in Walkden today and we started a brand new roof. Well, saying started, I came in over the weekend and got a small section of it in. So it's we're on the back section today and it's a hipped roof. It's got an apex on the front to tie in with the existing, which also is going to take me lay boards, which will go on further on later on. It's a hipped roof on the back. We're going to be stripping off all the old slate to re-roof it in a Ludlow Major and a grey Ludlow Major as well. And I'm looking forward to getting my teeth into this one. We've got a ceiling to set out. We've also got two small section, lower section roofs to build a porch roof and a lean-to on the back on a small back extension on the same job. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting my teeth into this one today. We've built a section at the front and we are now cooking with gas. As you can see, I came in over Saturday, over the weekend, and I got this section in with Mike. We did this, probably did this for about half a day. Just got my ladder to finish there and some straps for lateral straights on the gable for when the brickies do the brickwork. Yeah, but Chris is just setting up the trestles now. I'm going to get this ridge beam in first. So let me just spin the camera around this way. So I've got a ridge beam here that's going centre to the build, and there's two hips that come off either side. So Chris is just setting up the trestles here. We're going to get this ridge beam in, get the hips set out, and then we're going to look at getting all this ceiling in. I've got two lads on the front now, Callum and Lee. They're going to start stripping all the old slate off, all the old battens, so when the roofers come, it's just ready to felt and batten and tile, and we'll probably put a tarp over it just to sheet the house up. But yeah, I'm actually looking forward to getting my teeth into this. This is going to be a decent roof to build. Right, so ridge beam in, crown spar in. Yeah, we have a dodgy platform till we get the ceiling in. So what we've done, we've got our ridge beam and crown bar spar in, so we can set our ceiling out now to our jack rafters. I'm going to put two common rafters either side of this ridge after dinner, just to pin it so it's solid. And then we're going to start infilling the ceiling and then getting all this section front infilled. So we've got to just get the prep out of the way, probably most of today, and then it'll be like tomorrow. I'm hoping to have all of this pretty much done. Two valleys to go in, two lay boards to go in for the valleys. But yeah, lads are going to strip all this batten off, take all this slate off while we're after dinner, and we'll be flying on this. Hey, I'm going on with him tonight.
Yes.
What's that? You're only dropping it home tonight. I want a bit of peace.
I can drop you off on Washway Road.
That's sweet, that.
I've just been out, I'll sort it out anyway, mate.
The band from the vans. Hey, Harry. Hey, Harry. Harry.
Go up with him, Ray.
Why?
Just explain what you're doing on the camera.
Can't be asked with it.
No worries.
I'm just the cutter boy today. I'm just cutting, let them fit. Let them make a mess of it. Not there yet. Something we got in. Something we got in for the camera. So, there are project update because we've not done really much talking today because we're cracking on with this roof. We've got the ridge in, we've got the hips in. We've got ground sparring. We're starting to infill it around all the sides. Literally, I'm just they're just shouting measurements down. I'm just cutting everything here pretty much by hand and then throwing it up there, just fitting it. So I'm going to try and get all around the extension done today. So then when I come tomorrow, it's a case of just fitting my lay boards, and then all I have to do is basically fill in there. So it should be a nice, easy day tomorrow. Yeah. Did I? Not like me that, mate, to cut something wrong. I'm not like me that, mate. Must be something wrote down. Honestly, mate, I've never cut anything wrong in my life. Nah, someone give me a different I must be reading off a different thing to you then. Honestly, on my forefather's life, I've never cut anything wrong. Yeah, mate.
Nice, inside.
Right, so as you can see now, we've got. I've been doing the cuts most of the day, so I've been down there. So I'm just going to come up here and just have a quick talk through what I've been doing. So we've got all the hips in, all the ridging, like I explained down there earlier on. We've started to infill all the back of the extension. Started to infill all the side of the extension. We're gonna infill the opposite side, the right hand side of the extension. Then tomorrow we are going to be getting the lay boards on and filling that in. So then it's just a case of cutting up your barge boards or fascia boards, whatever you want to call them, bolting up hangers. We've got a couple of ring purling to put in, a couple of props, and then this roof is complete, ready for the tilers to come over and start felting back in this section. So we pull the line through. The roof's completely flat as always. Yep, flat, and yeah. Another good job, another good roof. It'll be on to the next one after tomorrow. We've just got, all I've got to do is as well, see where the hip comes down, so I have to push the ceiling back. I'm just going to have to run a few, double that ceiling spar up there, and then I'll basically run my ceiling this way, then into all these spars, tie them all in. Really happy though. Morning, Carl.
Morning, Ryan.
Let's just give that a little check there. Happy days. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that as well. So, right, so if you ever putting your lay boards in and you got to arrange it in, trying to arrange it in with your roof, the easy way to do it is when you put your lay board in, you cut your angle into the side of your first spar. All I do is I just try and range it off my level straight through. So the side is valet, which should be touching the bottom of that level, or a long piece of timber which makes it all flat when you're filling in. Just a little tip there, guys. So 3, 2, 2, 5. 2, 5. Oh, the less I see, I'm a changing man. 2, 1, 6, 5. In that car, yes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Been on it this morning, thought me and that.
Hour after hour. copy tunes.
What, you only like country music?
I do, but this is old school rap. You can't deny old school rap. $250 did you say? I've been around the world, I've seen so many places. It's all in the details, mate. All in the details. We'll leave you two to do them 2 cuts there, yeah? I'm going to start cutting this fascia up, yeah? Show me a tape measure, mate.
Mike,
Told you I cut it.
I know.
All of the details, Mike.
Have you got that tape in your pocket?
In the Cal.
Oh, always.
All in the little details.
Cal, just because you've now turned into a cameraman,
Go on.
don't do what the last cameraman did.
So that screw going down, are you just happy with this string pushed right down tight?
Sound that, mate.
Sweet, happy days.
Bevel.
You had a bevel, didn't you?
I had a bevel, So, this side is complete. Mike and Chris are now they're just cutting out the old buttons. Basically, I'll fit the layboard and they're going to start filling in the far right side. Whilst they do that, I'm just going to go around and start chopping all up the end of the rafters. So basically get my barge and fascia boards on it. And then Chris and Mike are going to come back here tomorrow, just finishing off the ceiling, and they're going to start bolting everything up so it's all nice and tidy. Putting hangers on everything, making sure there's bolts in these hips, bolts in the ridges, anything that's a double's getting a bolt in. Yeah, and when this roof's complete, Joe and the boys will be over, hopefully Friday, maybe tomorrow or Monday to start felting back it up. Bosh. Right, so that is us done for today. So pretty much we have completed this roof. All we've got tomorrow is we've got a couple of spars to put in. We've got a ring purling to put in and a couple of props, and then Chris is going to go around bolting everything up and angering everything up. So this roof will be complete tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm going to spin the camera around. Mike's going to finish this tomorrow. Get this side in, only take him an hour now, all the lay boards are in. All the roof's built. I've cut it all back for the fascias to go on, the barge boards. Ring purling, a couple of props inside, a bit of a ceiling patch to do, which is going to bring all the ceiling out here so it ties all these spars together. This side's complete. We've got a purling to put in here, a purling to put in there. That finishes that off, and wall plate straps will be going on here just to tie the block work into the gable into the roof. So yeah, that is us done now. We're packing up, cleaning up, and we are off. See you tomorrow. Just old. That's all I am. Is that old? I'm old.
MIA.
And what?
KIA.
Yeah.
Killed in action, mate.